If you want to know the difference between an inlet and an outlet, check out this video. People often get them confused, and for good reason, because they are used in similar applications. First, let's go over the two. Inlets receive power, while outlets output power. You may have already encountered outlets in your everyday life. The most common outlet is the wall outlet in homes and buildings. These outlets provide power to whatever appliance you plug into them. Another set of outlets you may be familiar with are those on a generator. In the generator, we have configurations like NEMA L530, a 125 volt 30 amp locking outlet, and a NEMA L1430, a 125/250 volt 30 amp locking outlet. Other outlets you might have seen are ones in electrical outlet boxes like these. Inlets are used for the opposite reason, to receive power. Whenever you see exposed prongs, the end is most likely receiving power from the source. Many times we see inlets on homes, RVs, and food trucks. These are our inlet boxes. They receive power to your breaker box to power your home. In this case, it gets its power source from the outlets on the generator. Food truck inlets also receive power from generators or from power pedestals like RVs do. If you're looking to replace any of your current inlets, you can find them on our website by searching ASIN. We have them in various configurations, including 3-phase configurations. There's the difference between an inlet and an outlet. If you have any trouble finding what you're looking for, feel free to chat with us or give us a ring. Shop AC Works for all of your AC power needs.